using the connections that we have nationally and globally to try and take Konkani movies out. So MMS probably will be one of the first movies to have even an India release faster than anybody else, including a global release over the span of the next 6 months. You know.
In terms of Goa, if my viewers want to watch this movie, have you identified theatres and if you work, because you're releasing on April 10th?
We will be releasing for now in four theatres across Goa. We will be disclosing that shortly. The deal with the theatre owners are already done, but we want to finalize the plan of how we're going to promote it, how it's going to be marketed, which is in the final stages of completion. We want to make it different. You see, the strength of this movie is in the suspense. The power of the movie is in the special effects, but the actual soul of the movie is in the acting. All right. So what we're trying to do is bring that out. So that we're going to be running a lot of contests. We'll be running a lot of contests across different mediums, whether it's phones, whether it's television, whether it's newspapers, whether it's all the mediums that we have. We're doing a lot of Facebook, on Twitter kind of promotions. The idea is, because it's a suspense thriller, you're going to come and watch it once and you're going to get your hit. The only time you're going to come back the second time is when you want to get hit again by the suspense of the movie. So I think the movie is a winner. There's no doubt on that. What I do want to stress on is the ability of the people of Goa to come and watch the movie, to encourage these kind of movies, because it's not been done before. You know, you see a Hindi movie, you see an English movie and say, wow, great effects, great acting, great producer, great director. You see a Goan actor, a Goan producer, and you treat him like just an ordinary person, but he's also doing such a great job. Yeah. So that's the reason why we're with the film. I think it's a brilliant movie.
One small little Barik Tana reveal is special effects. Now I've heard that this movie has a lot of special effects which never have been seen on Goan cinema. ताज्याबद्दल मातशें म्हाका कितें दिसता?
मेन थिंग आतां
शेफचो तडका हातूर आसा.
हय, तडका ती दाल शिजली म्हणजे तडका घालूंकूच जाय. स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स म्हणजे स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स आर क्लासिफायड इन मेनी वेज. जायते तरेचे आसता स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स. देर आर स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स which can cost you millions or crores. Okay, there are special effects. So आमचे जे चिंतना पावता ती आतां पावना. सो आमचे आतां पावता तितलेच कॅपॅसिटीन ती आमी स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स केल्या, बट नेवर बिफोर हेजे पयलीं हे स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स कोणें करूंक ना. ते आमी एटेम्प्ट केल्या. आतां हांव सजमतां की आमचो सगळे द टिम्स एफर्ट्स, आमची म्हाजी आख्खी फूल टिमीन जो एफर्ट केला न्हू, तो लोकांक मानतलो ना मानतलो ते आतां लोकांचेर आसा. दॅट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पीपल. बट वी हॅड द गट्स टू गो आउट एंड ट्राय इट, एंड वी ट्रायड, एंड दिस इज गोना बी द फर्स्ट thriller, suspense thriller in the history of Konkani film. We have done the first fully digital theatrical film in the history. So we will be the first one again to do this magic. But then again, the iron kella madam majan laina, and I will never say it ke iron kella because I am the producer.
I love her. Are you serious?
Shitol marta Sundira chevare.
तूच सांगतालो तेजेर मोग करतालो म्हणून अपलोड कित्याक केली? What do you mean? MMS तुजी आनी रोजाची इंटरनेटाचेर अपलोड जाल्लेली आसा.
तुझ्या जिवितान खरो मोग तुका केन्नाच मेळचो ना.
रोज
Whenever this team comes under your leadership, or when you are producing, definitely there is something or the other special every time that you want to hit.
ना जाल्यार आतां तुज्या रेस्टॉरंटान सदांच दाळ कोडी आनी नुस्त्यान दिल्यार कोण येवचोच ना न्हू मागीर. सो कितें तरी डिफरंट जाय.
With every question, Chef Jerry or Producer Jerry wants to say that, you know, I am a chef पहिली आणि बाकीचे म्हाका सगळे मागीर लागता. Now I have a chef who is a producer and I am interviewing him. Now I know Savio as some other person. If I think of Savio, he's complete. He's a journalist, he's a politician, but not a distributor. Now he's distributed Home Sweet Home, and आता ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज MMS परत तू आता हे करता वाय दिस ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज वाय डू यू फील सो मच फॉर दिस मूवी और मे बी फॉर द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरशिप एज सच
Even as a journalist, Rohit, the most important aspect was to try and reach out to the Goan and the diaspora, which has a larger number of Goans, right? Even politically, it was about to try and bring about a change. Having interacted with Jerry, with Swapnil at Home Sweet Home and Madhav and all of them, and a lot many people, Joywin for example, we're realizing that they're not getting the kind of push that is required to take Konkani films in Goa and outside of Goa. And it's not because they don't have the talent, it's just that they don't have the support. So when I was sitting down with them and I realized, I said, we could add value to that. We could add value to movie makers, we could add value to producers. We've got the connections, we've got the political clout to push people forward. That would give them the impetus. You see, we've got talent, and that's really what it boils down to. If today the government was to come out and say, this is talent for Goa, we could set up a filmmaking school here.
But I would just like to stop Savio for 1 minute. एकूच सांग म्हणून सोदता की जे गोंयच्या लोकांक हें पावपाक जाय and they have to understand this. गोवा आख्ख्या संवसारान जायत्या जाग्यांनी हिस्ट्रीन आसा. We have the longest beach in the whole world. Longest stretch, more than 12 miles. Nowhere in the world. Goyan, I don't know, thoda lok त्या भुरग्याकडे अडकोपाना. We have the best award-winning, Oscar award-winning special effects supervisor director from Goa, from Kolva, working in Hollywood. Made the movies like Iron Man, all those movies. So हांव म्हणूंक सोदता गोंयान आमचे सगळेच आसा. Talent and everything. बरे actor आसा. बरे director, ताची सांगपाक गरज ना. Javin, good things come in small packages. That is what I call Javin because he is very talented. पूण talented आसले म्हणून जायना न्हू, आदारूय जाय न्हू आमकां सगळ्यांचो प्लॅटफॉर्म. सो गोंयान टॅलंट ना म्हणटा तो खंयचोच ना. म्युजिशियन यू नेम इट, देर इज रायटर्स, डिरेक्टर्स, प्रोड्युसर्स. आतां गोंयान मातशें फालता म्हणटा तें हें. So someone like Savio who has to take this talent and serve it out to the world. Baba, Goa is full of talent. सगळे गोंयान येता, गोंयान कोत्ता, पूण ना आमकां ना न्हू. सो आतां आमीच एकठांय जावन केल्यार आय डोंट थिंक वी वील फॉल.
Definitely. So
that is what I wanted to add to Savio.
See, essentially what we also want to say is talent that exists in Goa requires an impetus. That impetus will come from governmental organizations. It cannot be done because one is politically connected to somebody. It's got to be done based on merit, based on actual value that a person is adding. You see more foreign films, when I mean foreign, I mean out of Goa films shot here than movies from Goan origin. And that is where the problem is, because people don't have the money, number one, and they put in their hard-earned money. I mean, Jerry in the previous movie put in his hard-earned money. And he did.
Trying to say last movie I worked hard on money. This movie it was for free.
No, this is also hard-earned.
But maybe because this is a deadly combination now.
Yeah, because
we bought into the fact that we need to take Konkani movies global. That's what he and I understand, and that's what Joywin also understands, that we've got to take the Konkani movies, the actors, the script writers global, because most of them are already global. We just don't see them. That's all.
Yeah, म्हणजे ते धांबोन आसता. धांबोन दवरता आमकां गोंयकारांक आतां we have to come out of it. आमकां हें भायर सरपाक लोकांचो आदार देव. People has to come. लोकांनी येवन तें पिक्चर चोवपाक जाय. They have to appreciate what we do as Goans. कित्याक आमकां उजार करून सगळो संवसार शायन जाता. Now I'm working for one of the big company in cruise lines. Okay, I'm the only second Goan in this company as a chef. Okay. But we are working for the company. We are nowhere known.
Correct.
The company is famous.
Company is
So आमकां हुंय आहा थिंगा. गोंयच्या starting to north to south, any hotel you take, and you find me 10 executive chefs there, I will quit my job today.
And turn as a producer.
आमकां सगळ्याक उजार करता. नांव दुसरे घेता. तें बंद जावंक जाय. आनी तें बंद करूंक लोकांचो आदार जाय.
It's an example. During the experience with the previous movie, we had gone to a theatre. I won't name the theatre, but we said we wanted to screen the Konkani movie. His response to us was, Konkani movies don't work in Goa. Sorry, we can't screen it for you. Come off it, yeah, this is Goa, this is Konkani, this is our place. You know, give us an opportunity. You're not even giving us, it was a closed door. We didn't get an opportunity to screen there.
बट वॉट शेफ सेज इज ते धाकून दवरला ते धाकून काडपाक दवरला धाकण जर काडटले जाल्यार इट इज नन मे बी नॉट द प्रोड्युसर्स डिस्ट्रिब्युटर्स नॉट वी इट इज दी व्ह्युअर्स दी ऑडियन्स जे हे करू शकता अँड आय होप विथ MMS हे जे ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज जो सद्या मेरेन तरी जाला तो डेफिनेटली हेच्या फुडें चेंज जातलो.
कोणूय चेडूं हांगासान पसार जावं तेका हांव मजें करून दाखयता आनी मजें म्हणजे अशें तशें न्हय डायरेक्ट हातून MMS
सुरोपाय तुजी बुलयता गाडीच धगधग जाता राग तुजो नाकाचेर हाय कितें जाता म्हाका 36 25 36 क्या बात है वाह वाह वाह.
Anything else that you want to say? One last final word to your to my viewers about the movie.
व्ह्युअर्स हांव म्हणूंक सोदता इतलेंच की हेजे पयलीं कॉम्बिनेशन कोणें करूंक ना. सो आतां तें जेरी आनी जॉयविन. सो आय हॅव सीन म्हाजी कॅपेसिटी, आय हॅव सीन जॉयविनाची कॅपेसिटी. सो आमची दोगांची कॅपेसिटी आमी ती एकठांय केल्या. सो आय वूड से म्हणजे हांव म्हणूंक सोदता की जेरी आनी जॉयविन भायर सरल्यात आमी ट्राय कोत्ता लोकांक दाखोवपाक जे आमचे कडेन कितें जाता तें. आतां आमी केलां तुमकां दाखोवंक सोदता तें बरें वायट तें तुमकां मानतलें ना तें आमी नको
पूण ते पळोवपाक पयलीं जाय
पळोवपाक पयलें
थिएटरान पयलीं वचपाक.
मग आमी म्हणटा न्हू अनलेस अँड अंटील यू टेस्ट यू वूड नॉट नो. चोवपाक बरें दिसता सगळें बट हातूच कमता इज एक्झॅक्टली द सेम.
Savio?
Well, the only thing that I'd like to tell the viewers is that if you've gone out and watched a Hindi movie, you've gone out and watched a Hollywood movie, go out and watch MMS because it competes with one of the best in the world. It is of that quality and you will be proud that a Goan cast, a Goan producer, a Goan director has actually made a movie of that standard and of that quality. And you must watch it and you must support it.
बट along with the audience सगळ्यान मेन म्हणटा तें आय वूड से टू द ऑडियन्स हांव लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता की जी म्हजी टीम बराबर आसली ती जावं सर प्रिन्स जेकब, रोसफन, केविन, माया, कुणाल, सोनम सगळ्यांचें नांव बाय हार्ट नोका बिकॉज दीस इज Pentium 4 आतां i7 येयला न्हू. सो प्लस माय गूड फ्रेंड बाराबोतचो जॉयविन बिकॉज विदाउट डॅट जॉयविनान पोतयेन भरून सामान हाडलेलें सो तें रांदपाक मनीस नासलें. सो आतां सगळी टीम बराबर आहा. सो सोजमोता आमचो एफर्ट लोकांक मानतलो.
आय होप जशें तुमी म्हटलें की जॉयविन आनी जेरी ही दोनूय नांवां वांगडा आमकां फुडें खंय तरी दिसतली आनी डेफिनेटली जे ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज जाला तो सिनेरियो चेंज जातलो.
ना नांव मुखार दिसपाना लोकांक जे मेरेन तें दांगडे
काम
ओपन
दिसता.
काडना
हय,
तें नांव पत्तें दिसपाना.
करेक्ट. आणि जशें म्हणटा आमी की गोंयकार आमी सुशेगाद बट सुशेगाद मे बी आमची पीस ऑफ मायंड आमची सुशेगाद आसची लायफ सुशेगाद आसची न्ही. आनी जशे हे गोंयकार हांगासर चेंज करपाक उठल्या कोंकणी सिनेमा डेफिनेटली तुमी खंय तरी घरा कडेन बसून हो जर प्रोग्राम पळयता जाल्यार एप्रील 10 तारखेक हांची पिक्चर रिलीज जाता MMS ह्या पिक्चराचें नांव आनी एप्रील 10 तारखेक तुमी डेफिनेटली ते सुशेगादपणा मातशे सायडीक खंय तरी उडयतले आनी थिएटरान वचून हे पिक्चर पळयतले. बरें वायट ही पावती तुमी मागीर दिवप पण पयलीं थिएटरान वचून हे पिक्चर चॅकआउट करा फॉर शुअर.